What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at a new construction here at Vitale Homes in Port Richey, Florida. It's one of the only available units. It's one of two. If you like this video, go ahead and watch the other one. I shot another model in here not too long ago. So this property is gorgeous on the inside. It's one of the only new construction homes available right now in all of Port Richey. So let's go check it out. If you guys have any questions or need any assistance moving out of state, moving to Florida, don't hesitate to reach out. My number and information will be linked down below. Without further ado, let's go check out this house. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around all the way till the end. Again, my name is Grant. I am a local real estate agent in the greater Tampa Bay area. If you have any questions about this property or need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. My information will be linked down below. This property right here, again, one of the last few models available. It's currently the Salerno model. And as of right now, it's priced at $539,000. The Vitale Homes in this community right now have a few properties. They have in total 3 currently available. One will be available next month. And then after that, it's going to be almost an entire year until all the new ones start rolling out. So definitely want to get on that right now. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.